If you're looking for a quick and delicious high protein recipe to cook this week that the whole family will eat, you've got to give these chicken kebabs a go. Super tasty, very easy to make, and extremely versatile. You can cook them in the air fryer, under the grill, and like you see, I've done them on the barbecue. Sounds good? Keep watching and I'll show you exactly how to make them. The first thing we're going to do is make a marinade for the chicken. We're going to mix some curry powder into some yogurt along with lime juice, equal measures of garlic and ginger, and then plenty of black pepper and some salt. Now, I'm going to add chicken breast to this, but you could use chicken thighs if you weren't too bothered about the calories. Chicken breasts are leaner, but thighs have got more flavour. But you want to marinate this for at least 30 minutes, but the longer the better, and just keep it in the fridge until you're ready to go. Hey, sorry for the interruption, but I've got a super quick favour to ask. If you could either click like, drop a comment below and let me know what you think of this recipe, or subscribe, I would really appreciate it. It has got absolutely nothing to do with my ego. It just means that if you interact with this video in some way, YouTube is more likely to show it to others so that more people get a chance to cook my recipes. Thanks in advance. Now back to the recipe. For veggies, I'm using a pepper and onion, but again, you could use some courgette, aubergines. You can be really flexible with what you want. And then when it comes to build the kebab, just alternate between chicken and veggies. You can cook this in the air fryer, or you can grill it, or I'm going to cook it in the barbecue, but just make sure the chicken is fully cooked through. And then when it's ready, garnish with some green and give it a squeeze of lemon and get stuck in. So there we have it. That is chicken kebabs. Super versatile. I mean, you can do them in the air fryer, the grill, oven. I always cook kebabs on the barbecue because I love that smoky charring that you get on the outside that just gives it so much more flavour. Anyway, let me know what you think of this recipe, and as always, thank you so much for watching this video. And if you are a new viewer, if you've not had a chance yet, make sure to click that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future high protein recipes, because I'm posting about 2 a week, and if you're subscribed, you'll get notified as soon as they go live so you can cook them for your dinner. Anyway, thanks again for being here. I'll speak to you later.